Who you gonna be, bro?
We're in this together. Remember that.
I came here to party. Let's rock.
You know, I don't take myself too seriously. I don't take myself anywhere, really. Man, I need to get out more.
You still down for me to cut your hair this weekend? Winning
Is your
kills.
champion.
Gotta get you some winning kills.
Let's land here.
Thinking like,
Never mind.
Hey, maybe we land here. Or maybe we don't. I'm fine with whatever.
yeah, no,
This is the
whatever.
best part.
I can never get good guns right there, but point out where you're gonna hit. Okay. Get that up.
Attention. First blood.
Oh, someone got the party started. Heavy ammo here. Ah, never mind. Sorry. Body shield here. Level 1.
Yo, King.
Yo.
I don't fucking understand. Alright, you get all of them and kill them.
Kills with the Mozambique.
Yeah.
I should pick one up then. Let's do it.
Beginning ring countdown.
I've only gotten like, I think I've only posted one Mozambique. I think it was the Mastiff one. Was that one?
I don't know. You just know you have it.
Dang, this thing is echoing sad.
Dude, why is it?
Triple take. Energy ammo. Body shield here. Level 1.
This Sterling guy's
I need shotgun ammo.
Can't do.
Here's some shaddy. Not that much.
Yeah. Can you give me a point?
Oscar Mike, I'm spotted. Firing. Reload.
Knocked one.
Enemy down. Listen up, I'm getting shot
Oh,
at.
you kidding
I've
me?
been down.
He's really weak. He's like a Pathfinder out in the water.
Let's go this way.
Somewhere out here. You come, heal me. He has a Pathfinder though. He could zip up.
You'll be alright. I gotcha.
I'll drop a health drone.
Oh, good. Just a health drone if you need it.
No health. Hey, I see him right here.
What's that close?
He's
Reloading.
almost dead.
I need help. Got my grenade out. Got my grenade out.
Is he up here?
I've got you. Shields up.
No, I'm getting you though. Let's hop on the
You're
roof.
wonderful. Thank you. Help for my friends.
Spotted. Double timing it.
There's one, right here. I got a bad guy. Target's right in front of me. Making contact here.
I'm coming. Let's see what I got.
One here. Hostile right here.
Hey, they're fighting.
Shields up. Rings nearby. 1 minute.
Relocate here.
Setting shield. You'll
No,
be
no,
alright.
no skimmies.
Reloading. Another enemy down. 45 seconds. Rings close.
Where the hell did he go? What's up?
Down the whole squad. Setting shield. You'll be alright. 30 seconds. Rings close.
Thanks for having my back.
Don't worry. I got a squad mate spanner.
They have an energy.
What?
10 seconds. A ring's just ahead. Come on, Richard. Say hello.
Here, you need. There's a health drone up here.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Half the squads are left. Let's smoke them. It's on. Rings moving.
New kill leader. Eyes out for him.
Dang, I just need some energy, man.
Oh, here, take all mine.
Okay, let's go bring him back. I'm saying, I think in
Let's
this one
go
here.
this way.
Care package touching down. They usually carry rare platforms.
Gotcha, bro.
Extended heavy mag.
All right, let's win this now.
Yeah, I can go right.
Got a hop up here. Select fire.
Optics here. Close range.
Yeah, there's some weapons in there. Got 35.
Here I come, Mirage to the rescue. After being rescued.
I could take some more.
Body shield here.
Here, we got some blue
Level
armor
2.
here.
Really, he needs it. Is that the storm coming? That's close.
I could heal us in the storm.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
I can yeah, hit that. I got my drop.
This way.
We'll use it when you get in the zone. Is that in the zone? It's barely out of the zone. The house is in it. I'm up here too, just get some high ground. Oh yeah, there's a team right here. There's a team.
Target over there.
Just seen one. Okay, there's two guys.
Using a med kit. 1 sec.
Hit this ultimate acceleration.
Calling in a lifeline package.
It's up here.
Yeah, I see that too.
Over here.
Looks like they're fighting in there.
Looks like it's
Turbo. Hey, they all went inside. Do you want to just like hop up on it? Yeah, they're fighting there.
King.
Are you up above? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this guy.
Very good, you're good. We need to go hop in there though, they're gonna be weak.
Want it?
I don't care.
Let's do it.
We do all need purple, but let's kill these guys first. Should we just go in? Let's go in.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
New kill leader.
Right outside.
Call him if you spot him.
New kill
Hey, the squad just died, so let's kill him fast.
New kill leader. Watch your six.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Knocked.
Enemy down.
Go bamboozle.
Just right out there.
Patching up.
Reloading.
They're gonna revive him.
Throwing Aksa.
Give me a second. Recharge your shield.
Aksa out.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
Reloading. Down this time.
Taking him out with a decoy.
Reloading.
Frag out.
Reloading.
Down.
Frag out.
They did.
Out the champion.
Was that our grenade or theirs?
Nearby.
Yeah.
Helmet here.
Okay.
Level 3.
Rings close. 45 seconds.
Any energy?
Just gotta patch
How
myself
far?
up.
Dude, we got a long ways to go. We don't want to get caught in this storm.
30 seconds. Rings close.
Energy, energy.
Oh. Bastard.
Okay, we gotta
There's
go.
extending bags and stuff up here.
Recharging shields.
I do need a
Rings around
sniper
the corner,
stock.
10 left.
Okay, we gotta run.
Extended heavy mag.
I should be
Standing
fine.
stock
I got
here.
21
Level 3.
shots.
Warning. Movement in
I
progress.
still need an extended bag for this.
Rings moving.
So where do we want to go?
Let's explore this way.
Kinda, yeah, let's hit this. You need extended mag for your G7?
I bet that care package has some sweet gear for us.
Is it out?
Hey, this. Let's go fight on this. It's in the zone, so.
Go out and bamboozle him.
It's ultimate accelerant.
That ultimate.
Yeah, I'm hitting it right now. I should have it soon.
Energy ammo here.
Baby.
Does anybody need this?
Optics here. Sniper.
I do, I do.
Gotta hop up here. Never mind, forget that.
Is that? It's right down here, 4x8.
Mozin, never mind, sorry. Energy ammo here.
Sweet.
Did you call it camera?
I got, it's 93%. So the stock was down below.
Yeah.
I'll find it.
Check it over there. Heads up, got one here. Never mind, forget that.
Where's the...
Dude, I'm
Got a
not.
hop here.
I'm just seeing a scope.
Oh, yeah, that's...
You said stock. That's all good. You said scope. You did say scope one time, but that is cool.
Got one spotted.
Okay. I'm down. Let's just go hit the zone up to the right. It's like
Let's
kind of
go
on the
this
desert
way.
area over here.
Charging shields.
It's just gonna be a useless fight if we try to hit him. Dude, that'd be sick if I just bring it. If we all bring it home right here. Dude, I've been loving this triple take, bro.
Heavy ammo here.
Hella heavy ammo. Accelerant here, too.
Ultimate accelerant here.
You able to pick it up?
Yeah, I'll drop it.
Listen up, I'm calling a lifeline package in.
I'm dropping it, but it's like right out of the zone.
What is it?
My ultimate. Hopefully nobody comes to it.
Ultimate accelerant here.
Drop the better backpack.
Hopefully there'll be a backpack in here.
It's
The 2x4, I'm gonna take it. Alright, this is the end. There's 4 squads.
I've got an ultimate accelerant for you too right here.
Okay.
Just dropped it.
Anybody need shotgun ammo?
Not shotgun?
I just dropped some. I'm down to hit these bones up. Dude, right here might be really good. No, it's out of the zone.
Yo, come get this.
Ultimate accelerant here.
Okay.
Lucky us. We're already inside this next ring.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down.
Attachments on G7. I need all attachments.
Hey, there's a Spitfire. I'm gonna take it. Tasty.
Oh, there's guys in front. Shit.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
Crap.
Target spotted.
Shit.
Let down range.
I'm spotted, taking fire.
I'm getting hit from both sides.
See ya. There's one on the.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
All of them.
Eating leg.
Oh, shit. They're in here. Shit.
Should we all head up?
Come on in. Old Painless is waiting. Heads down. Air
Sending out my decoy. Getting shot at.
I'm coming. Hey, heal up. Are you ready?
Bad guy.
We got hit at the same time. We're getting hit from both sides. We gotta take these guys.
In front of me.
They're all.
Shit, right here.
Give me a sec.
Making contact here.
Enemy down.
There's one right.
Reloading.
Let's go, baby.
Knocked down.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Setting shield, healing ya.
Yeah, try to get up here.
I guess I already ate dinner now.
Deploying health drone. This way, let's go.
Give him my shield to recharge.
1 minute, rings nearby.
Hey, there's a
here.
backpack.
Level 3.
Extended
My shields
mags.
and recharge.
1 sec.
Hey, the last team's battling. Unless they're hitting you.
45 seconds. Ring's not too far. I'm okay with that.
Spot on.
57. 69.
Got him.
46.
Reload.
Ooh. Almost killed him.
Ring ain't far. Half of one.
Let's go.
There's
this
guys
way.
over here. Let's go hit the zone up. We can hit up here. We'll hit these rooftops.
Still need the extended mag.
There's a light one in there. On the, oh,
Taking fire.
behind me, behind me.
Taking fire.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
I'm down. Need a look.
It's gotta be.
Listen up, the ring's moving. A minute.
Shots fired. And they're hitting me. Bad news. Got one here.
Enemy down.
Who's the other chick?
Next to the bridge.
Just escape. 1 second.
Shoot, I'm gonna die. Damn it.
Too slow.
my life is that low. That's good though.
Attention. New kill leader.
Alright, bro, I gotta get